2012 BMW K1600 GT, and I'm making a modification to allow me to play the Sirius radio coming out of the bike into my noise cancelling headphones. BMW does not offer an easy solution for you to be able to use your own headphones. They want you to pay ridiculous amounts of money for the communicator, and then that gives you in-helmet headphones. What I want are in-ear headphones so I can do the noise cancelling. One is going to be to remove the speaker grill, and to do that we are going to remove one screw down in here, which is behind our flap. The second screw is right here on top. The third one's right here. What I've done is I have taken the bike apart and I've got the speaker grill out, and I'll show you how that works. But what we're doing here is we're modifying these wires. I'm going to tie in to these wires with this nifty little gadget. So this gives you, takes speaker level outputs and turns it into RCA level output. So now I can connect my headphones to this with an adapter cable that converts RCA to a headphone jack, and theoretically I should be good to go. So that is what we are up to do today. What I'm going to do is I've shaved a little bit of the plastic away. I'm going to solder in right here and then run that line across the bike to over on this side. And I'm going to take this, stick it up in the bike, and then run a cable down here so that it comes out next to my seat. That's the plan. Wires connected. I just stripped off a little bit of insulation. Didn't cut them all the way through, just stripped some insulation off. Soldered my connections on here. And so now we're going to run this wire to the other side of the bike. I'll tape these up. Then this is going to get mounted under here. Then the wires will run back to my seat. I need to take these leads and get it across the bike, so I'm just going to add some wire here. What I've done is I've gotten some heat shrink tubing from Radio Shack. I'm going to slide those over the wires and then twist them together and then solder them to make sure they're a good connection. Reattached one speaker with these 3 screws, and I've got the wire back behind this mount here so that it'll keep it out of the way. I'm going to get a little magic marker, just color that black so it's not quite so visible. I'm going to turn the bike on. Satellite radio comes up. Turn the volume up. Here's my adapter. Here's my headphone cord plugged into my Bose headphones. And I have music. The sound comes out there. Fabulous. Exactly what I wanted. Now all I need to do is put the bike back together.